Today we'll make jimtak, a braised chicken dish with savory, sweet, and garlicky flavors. The tender chicken, soft vegetables, and chewy glass noodles soak up a rich soy-based sauce, making every bite irresistible. And the best part? You can make it at home with just a few simple ingredients in no time. Here's what you need: 400 grams of chicken. You can use any part, but boneless thighs are the easiest and most tender to cook with. Onion, sweet potato or potato, whichever you prefer. And for the sauce, you need soy sauce, sugar, honey, and 1.5 tablespoons of minced garlic, which is about 9 cloves. Optionally, add crushed pepper if you want a subtle spicy kick, along with ginger powder and black pepper. And lastly, glass noodles. This is completely optional, but it's Koreans' all-time favorite add-on in jimtak. Glass noodles are made from sweet potato and have a chewy texture. They don't have much taste on their own, but they soak up liquid and sauce easily, making them perfect for savory dishes like jimtak. Let's start by prepping the ingredients. Chop the onion into cube shapes. Peel and chop the sweet potato as well. Then chop the chicken thighs into similar bite-sized cubes. The sauce is the heart of jimtak. Just mix 1.5 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 4 tablespoons of honey, 6 tablespoons of soy sauce. You can add a tablespoon or two if you're enjoying jimtak with plain rice, plus ginger powder, crushed pepper, and black pepper to taste. It's deep, slightly sweet, and full of umami. Now that everything is ready, heat over medium-high heat and start cooking the chicken. When it's slightly browned, pour in the sauce and give it a quick stir. And add the veggies and pour in a cup of water. Everything should be about half submerged, but if you're not using glass noodles, use just a half a cup of water so the sauce thickens properly. Cover the lid and let it come to a boil. This is where the magic starts. Rich, savory flavors infusing the chicken. In the meantime, let's cook the glass noodles. In boiling water, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. This helps the noodles absorb savoriness and blend well when added to jimtak. And then submerge the dried noodles in the boiling water. When the noodles are no longer dry and have become stretchy, drain the water and set them aside. If your jimtak still needs time to braise, add some oil to the noodles so they don't stick together. When the liquid in the jimtak has reduced by over half, which takes about 15 minutes over medium heat, add the soaked glass noodles. They'll soak up a lot of the sauce quickly, turning irresistibly chewy and flavorful. Let's simmer until the sauce thickens and coats everything beautifully. This is what makes jimtak so satisfying. And that's it. Jimtak made easy, a cozy, comforting dish that is perfect for any meal. The chicken and glass noodles will fill your mouth with rich flavors, and even the vegetables will taste delicious. Try it at home and let me know how it turns out. And please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more easy Korean recipes.